if it's not one thing, it's another. Every time I try to get a step ahead in life, it decides I need to go 2,000 steps backwards. Anyway, I currently have a GoFundMe made. I don't expect anything. I do expect hate-filled comments on this video because that's all I ever seem to get. But I'm trying anyway. We have a GoFundMe. Trying to raise money to help with some vehicle repairs. The vehicle is still usable. It's just we've lost 3 tires in the past month. Mechanic says it's because we need new struts. I don't know what any of that means because I'm not a car person, but so we definitely don't have the money for it right now. So this is me reaching out to what fan base I do have. It'll be in the links below, all that kind of stuff. If you're able to help, thank you. If not, I do understand. I hate asking for handouts. I hate asking for help. It's just, what can you do?